What are you guys doing? Huh? You sleeping on the deck? Yeah. I know, you guys are so good. I know. Huh, Wilma? Yeah. Hi, Virgil. Hi, Spotty. Hi, Spotty. Hi, Wilma. Hi, Calvin. Hi, Chester. Hi, Fritzy. Hey, little stinker. Let's see. Oh, there you are. What are you guys doing? You guys have fun out here? Huh? Did you guys have fun? Do you think it was gonna rain? Here, let's see. Think I can do this down here, maybe? Let's try. It's pretty cute, you guys. Harold, you would come first. You always do that. You're the little follower, aren't you? Yep. Carefully make your way down. Fritzy, you coming? Come on, Elba. Come on! What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Good job, you guys. Hi, Wilma. Oh, what a good girl. Alice, why don't you go in the grass? But good girl still. Silly head. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Virgil, what are you going to do up there? Hi, sweetie. Hi. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Oh, no. Okay, let's see if you guys want to come out here. Come on. Come on. What do you think? You guys all have to go potty? Who's that barking? Who is that barking? Huh? You just trying to go potty? You guys all synchronized? You guys all synchronized to do that? Wilma! Come on! What are you looking at? You're funny. Hi, Ellis. I know, you're such a little brat, aren't you? Oh, yes, you guys are so good. I know, you're so good. Aren't you? Are you excited for your plane ride? Huh? Are you excited for your plane ride? Yeah, I bet you are. Oh. You guys are funny. Ow! Spotty, no, that's not nice. We don't want to chew people's feet. Wilma, no. Okay, let's go see if we can do this. Do you guys want to help me? See if we can do this? You're a little rascal. You're a little rascal, Wilma. You're a little rascal. I know. You guys are funny. Ellis, you're awfully quiet today. No. Aren't you? You are. You're awfully quiet. I bet I can beat you guys.